Hi preschoolers, this is Mrs. Allison and we are going to take a look at our new April calendar because we have our new month of April. So we're going to take a look at our day, and today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. If you look at our calendar, it looks different than our March one. We see lots of rain and some clouds. We see a rainbow, a raincoat, and down in the other corner we see an umbrella. And the reason we see lots of rain and clouds is because April can be a rainy month. But it can also be a nice sunny month too, and the rain will bring lots of flowers in the spring, in May. So we're going to take a look at our birthdays and special days in April. So on Sunday, yesterday, April 5th, it was my birthday. It was Mrs. Allison's birthday. And on Wednesday, April 8th, it is Zephyrus's birthday. And Zephyrus is in my Tuesday, Thursday morning class. And on April 13th, we have Deus's birthday, and she's also in my Tuesday, Thursday morning class. And then there are some special days in April. On April 12th, it is Easter. And down here on April 22nd, it is Earth Day. So this is our brand new calendar for April. So yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Great job, preschoolers. Now we're going to go and take a look at our shapes.
Choose a shape.
So we're going to look at our shapes. So I think that I am going to choose this shape. Can anybody tell me what shape it is? It's an oval. If you said oval, you were right. Great job.
Oval.
All right, now we're going to take a look at some shapes, and at the top we have our oval, our blue oval, and then in each box we have some shapes. And let's take a look at them. The first box,
rug.
It's a rug. And this one is a button. And this shape is also a button. But we have to find which one is the oval. Is this pink one an oval? No, it is not. It is a heart. You are right if you said heart. Is this one an oval? It looks like a circle to me, and it is a circle. And how about this orange rug? Is that an oval? Does that look like the one up here? Yes, it does. Great job. So we're going to click on the orange rug.
Rug.
And now we're going to go down here and check our answer.
Fantastic. The rug is shaped like an oval.
Great job. Let's try that again. All right, now we have some more shapes. Let's look at our oval, our blue oval. And then we have an egg, we have a chalkboard, and we have a welcome mat. Which one of these looks like our oval? Let's try the chalkboard. Do you think that's right? Does that look like this one? No, it does not. You are right. It does not look like the blue oval. How about this egg. Does that look like an oval? It doesn't have any corners or any sides. Let's try it.
Egg.
Let's see if that one is right.
You did it! The egg is shaped like an oval.
Great job, preschoolers. All right, let's try one more. All right, here we have our oval again. And here we have a star. And this is an olive. Maybe some of you like to eat green olives. And this is a necklace that is in the shape of a heart. You're right. So this one is not an oval, is it? Because it is a heart. It does not look like this one. Does this star look like the oval? No, it does not. How about the olive? Let's try the olive.
Olive.
Let's check our answer.
Good job! The olive is shaped like an oval.
Great job, preschoolers. We'll try one more. All right, we have some shapes. Here is our oval, our blue oval. So let's look at the boxes. And we need to decide which one looks just like this one. How about this one? Does that look like an oval? Let's see.
Earring.
Ooh, it's an earring, but it's got corners inside, so I don't think it's an oval. How about this one?
Map.
It's a map, but this one has sides and it has some corners. I don't think that is an oval. How about this?
0.
The number 0. Does that look like an oval?
0.
It does. Let's check our answer and see if we're right.
You did it! The 0 is shaped like an oval.
Great job, preschoolers. That's all for today. We'll play this game again another day. Thanks for helping.